In today's fast-paced world, prioritizing your well-being is essential. A balanced lifestyle encompasses not only nutritious food, but also regular exercise and mindful habits. Together, these components create a foundation that nurtures the mind, body, and spirit, guiding you towards a healthier and more fulfilling life. Nourishing your body with wholesome foods is the first step. Fill your plate with vibrant fruits and vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Imagine biting into a crisp apple or savoring the rich flavors of a colorful salad. These choices fuel your body and provide the essential nutrients you need to thrive. As you make a habit of choosing nutritious options, you'll notice a difference in your energy levels and overall mood, fostering a deep connection with your physical self. Next, incorporate regular exercise into your routine. Picture yourself lacing up your sneakers as you step into the fresh air, or feeling the satisfying burn as you lift weights at the gym. Exercise not only strengthens your body, but also releases endorphins that elevate your mood. Whether it's a brisk walk in nature, a calming yoga session, or an invigorating workout, find activities that bring you joy and make them a priority in your life. Mindful habits are the third pillar of a balanced lifestyle. Envision starting your day with a few moments of meditation or stretching, centering yourself before the world awakes. Mindfulness encourages you to be present, reducing stress and enhancing your emotional well-being. Engage in practices that help you reconnect with yourself, such as journaling your thoughts, practicing gratitude, or simply taking a break to breathe deeply. These habits cultivate a sense of peace and awareness amidst the chaos of everyday life. Combining these elements, nutritious food, regular exercise, and mindful habits, creates a holistic approach to health. It isn't solely about physical fitness. It's about inspiring and feeling your best every single day. When you nourish your body, move with intention, and maintain a mindful mindset, you empower yourself to embrace life wholeheartedly. Ultimately, the journey towards a healthier you is about making conscious choices that enhance your well-being, bringing you joy, energy, and fulfillment. Let's celebrate and commit to a balanced lifestyle, one intentional step at a time.